Hey guys, welcome back to my beginner lash extension technique series. In this video, we're going to be talking all about fill isolation, lash placement, and then a couple of methods for removal. All the products that we're using are linked below, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. After you've applied a full set, some fans will have shed along the way with the natural lash, so sets are going to start to look just a little bit more sparse. You can see here, Kenzie's inner and outer corners are a little bit more sparse than the rest. But Kenzie has had amazing retention. We are just gently moving through the lashes, trying to find any lashes that need to have fans reapplied to them. Looks like we just got one right here. You might also have a lash that's grown out a little bit of a funky angle, like this one right here. There are a couple of options to safely remove these wayward lashes. One is the banana peel method. When we're banana peeling a lash, we're just gently peeling apart the natural lash and the extension from each other. Another method that you can use is breaking the bond. By gently taking your tweezers, pulse on the bond of the extension and the natural lash. You'll see that it releases, leaving behind healthy natural lashes underneath. Another method that you can use is breaking the bond and banana peeling. So you gently break the bond at the base of the extension, and then once the bond is broken, take your tweezer and close your fan and gently banana peel with the other tweezer. We recommend spending about 10 to 15 minutes between both eyes, removing any lashes that are grown out 2 millimeters or more. Now that we've gotten all of the grown out lashes taken off, we're going to start our blueprint. This is a great time to ask your client if they want to stick with their same shape and you just start filling in like you did last time, or if they want to change anything up. For Kenzie, we're just sticking with the same shape. Now that we've removed all of our wayward and grown out lashes, we're just gonna go ahead and start filling in all the areas that are a little bit more sparse. You're going to notice that most of your clients shed on their inner and outer corners the most. So we're gonna go ahead and start on these sections first, getting them nice and full. As you finish up your fill, you just want to give it a couple more passes with your brush. Make sure that all the lashes are going in the same direction. And then I always like to take my tweezers through every section and just make sure that I've gotten a majority of the lashes in there. Keep in mind too that your fill should take anywhere from an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half, start to finish. Once you've gone through, made sure that you don't have any major gaps in the sections. You're just gonna go ahead and gently brush the lashes one more time. We're just gonna give our client a little bit of nano mist on each eye. And check for any stickies or pokies on the bottom. It's really common for a few of the extensions to stick to the bottom of the gel pad, so this step's really important before you untape. Just a gentle little pull of the eyelid and the lashes. We're just gonna go ahead and untape our model now. One more quick pass with the nano mist just right before your client opens their eyes. And then we're gonna go ahead and have our model open. Ooh, we love it. Now that you've got your fills down, you're ready when she comes back. If you wanna dive more into this technique, get one-on-one mentoring, or just learn a little bit more, you can check out our online campus linked below. Check us out on borboleta.artist, our Instagram page, for blueprints, tips and tricks, and inspo. All right, you guys, if you like what you see, let us know. Also, make sure you subscribe and tell us in the comments what you want to see more of. See you next time.